That's Kit for caterpillar. Kit the caterpillar, and J for jackrabbit, and A for and that's the ant. He's an astronaut. That's A. And what do you think that letter is?
The letter G.
G for grasshopper, and what do you think that is?
You know that one. D.
D for, but it has a hook. See? That one.
Which one?
That one. See?
Is it quoi?
Qua. It's qua.
Is it quoi? I don't know. It looks like a duh.
No, but it has a hook.
I know, but you drew it though.
I don't know.
What's the next one?
Huh? Okay, but this is the octopus, and they sing ah. Okay, now this is Red Frog. He likes jumping in. Okay, and this is Sissy Snake. And she slithers. Okay, and this is
Which one? Okay.
what do you think that is?
It looks like the
Eh. Is it eh? Eh for Ed.
Yep.
And who do you think Ed is?
I don't know. Is he an elephant? Is he?
Ed elephant. But Till said you could write letters for your truck. That's all we can do. Okay. Okay, now this is and this is G. That's G.
That's the sound. Or sound. What are you saying that one is?
That's Uggy Duck.
Mm-hmm.
That is Uggy Duck. And he can't clap though, that's why he said because someone stepped when he was hatching.
Oh no.
Okay, this is R. And who is it?
Maybe a rabbit?
This is Ricky the Rooster.
Ooh, Ricky the Rooster.
Yeah, that's our new letter today.
Excellent.
Okay, and this is, what do you think of this? What is that?
It's an uppercase.
I.
I.
This is I. That's only the lowercase. That's only a lowercase. That's T. T for turtle. And that's a lowercase L. And this is a bigger A.
Bigger C.
Bigger C. Okay, and this is a T, I think. That's the T. And this is...
Let me see if this one's a...
And
That's a J. A J sound.
J. Okay, that's a J.
Like, is that your jackrabbit?
Yeah, that's my jackrabbit. But it has a T on the top.
Yeah, because it's a capital. It's an uppercase.
Okay, and there's the letter, and here's the letter A, and G.
Yeah, that's right.
And D.
Yeah.
And R.
Oh, yeah, uh-huh.
And that is F.
Yep, that's right.
And that is really S.
Yep.
S for Slitty Snake. And that is E for Ed Elephant.
That's right.
And that over here is like Ecky Duck.
Ucky ducky.
Ucky Duck. Okay, and this is R. That's our new letter today.
Excellent. What's that one for again?
That's That's Rickety Rooster.
Excellent. Good job, buddy. You learned all that in school?
Yeah.
That was a great job you did.
Smiley face.
And a big smiley face. Oh, wait. Oh, good job. Can I see that this side?
Sure.
All those letters.
Oh, those letters are pretty good.
And look, it says your name right on the top.
I know. And I did my last name too.
Yeah. What's your last name?
Hewitt.
That's right. Hewitt.